Alright everybody, welcome back to Magnolia North 40. That's me mowing the grass with the Kubota tractor, 6060. And yeah, this might be the last mow of the year. How's that sound? The weather's cooling down, it's raining a bit less. So yeah, this is just a few video clips of me slinging around the brush hog and taking care of the lawn. Just one more clip of that, zipping around. And the clip after this is going to be a cool picture of us and the dogs walking down the lakefront. That's such a clear camera down there. That's nice. Lots of deer tracks and plenty of animals to show you on these upcoming videos. This is a nice shot of a doe coming out of the back of the lot with a couple of fawns. A little bit in the evening, about just before 6. Just heading out for dinner. That one fawn's looking back going, hey, what's that light? He's checking that out. This is a night shot with a bunch of deer walking down in front of the driveway in the evening. It was just after 8, but it's still pitch black. It's a picture down by the lake of Bob walking by. We're considering renaming him Robert. What do you think? Put that in the comments if you think he should be named Robert. And this is just a healthy couple of raccoons walking down the lakefront. Early in the morning. They seem pretty laid back. Oh, there's even a third one. My goodness. They look pretty healthy. And I simply ask you, what was that? And we've got a doe and a couple of fawns. That's probably the same pair that walked by the lake camera down at the end. And this is the front lake camera. They look good. Be crazy if you saw just a screaming clown running after the lake after him there. That'd be crazy. Alright, we're back over on the north boundary. And yeah, we've got a coyote. A little bit cloudy there on the camera lens. There's a couple of coyotes down on the lakefront. It was a good shot because they stayed in the frame for a while. Normally they're just in and out really quickly. When we walk the dogs down there, that's obviously what sends the dogs crazy is all the coyotes, and comes a couple of does running down the north line. That's great. And this is a Nutria walking down the lakefront camera. Looks pretty slow and comfortable there, taking his time, or her time. And we got a little spike buck there. Very cute. That looks like the lake cameras, and it's a quick shot of Bob coming through, or Robert. And this is a new camera I set up at the tractor culvert, so you can see the tractor in the background there. And we caught a deer coming through there. That's great. And we're going to close up with that scene, which was kind of crazy, but haven't seen that deer again. All right, everybody. North 40 out.